we wanted to be super, super thoughtful and making sure that we're putting together a framework that really works for the company and kind of simultaneously gets us what we need from a downside protection standpoint, but also, and this is super important, bakes in the appropriate level of flexibility to support a business like Mitra that is going to go through iterations in their customer offering, which for the most part will translate to iterations in their key agreements like their leases and their site development agreements, et cetera, which all directly translate to assets and the collateral that we're interested in. So I think what it requires is one, first and foremost, being able to take a view on a team like Galena's that they're able to kind of orient themselves within the market to take advantage of what the value proposition is in a given quarter in a given 6 months and be iterative with them. And I think on the flip side, it's a view towards how do we as the special ops team support a team like Mitra in accessing that 50 $100 million almost securitization style product that is out there. And those types of investors, that type of money does not get paid to think in iterations. Frankly, they want to get exactly the paper that they're paying for, and that's why the cost of capital is so low. So we kind of, on the kind of less sexy, maybe more operational side, spend a lot of time with Glena's team talking about how do we standardize this? How do we make sure that the parameters we're putting in today for financing will directly drag and drop to when we refi this and make it $100 million facility? And I think it's kind of a combination of both having the flexibility to support the business where it is today and the guidance on financing to make sure that we're driving to a place where Mitra can scale up big and ultimately have like a full-on financing arm where it's accessing super low cost of capital, because that's the kind of holy grail of how a business like this is able to scale efficiently.